working with Eva Wigs. I love working with this company. They always send over some heat. So this time I picked a blonde, like a honey blonde, honey brown bob. And this is what she looks like. Super pretty. As always, I have her link down below. She kind of smells like she just got dyed. Not a bad scent, but it just smells like, you know, hair products. When you flip it inside out, you have a comb, adjustable straps in the back, as well as some lace. And then in the front, you have 3 combs, lace, and then this is about how much parting you get. This is probably about 3 inches of parting. The sides is probably a 1 to 2 inches, about 2 inches on the sides, which means that I'm going to be parting it in the center. And if I want like a side part, I'll switch the whole wig, because I don't want to part it on the side and only get like this much parting, if that makes any sense. It is pre-parted, so I'm not going to be bleaching the knots. And then it has excess lace. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. We're going to go ahead and cut off all the lace in the front and the back. I'm going to speed up and we're going to show you how I slayed this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace off camera. I'm going to see if I need an elastic strap, and then I'm going to speed it up. Oh, speaking of elastic, it looks like they gave me a nice piece of elastic, a really long piece. I don't know if this was mine or did they give me this. I think they gave me this. And then in the inside, you also get some goodies. So here's a tag, user's manual, bobby pins, comb. I think I have like 5 of these combs already. And then my brown wig cap. So they pay attention. Hopefully they give everyone the color that they would need. Usually I go a shade lighter than this, but these will definitely work. And then you get a card. All my wigs have this little card, and it says exclusive to Ashley Bedeck, product information, 100% human hair, and then it gives you the SKU number, the color, and then the length. So the length is 14 inch. And then the color is same as picture. So if you click on the link and go to the sales page, this wig that I have, the name of it in the drop down bar is, so if you go to the sales page, so if you click the link and you see the wig, it comes in a few different colors. If you're interested in the color that I have, you will click same as picture and it'll give you this option. If not, there are a bunch of other beautiful colors. You can do black, 1B, 2, 4, I believe. I don't know, check the website and you'll see exactly what colors you can get. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace in the front and the back. I'm going to try her on and see if she needs the strap, which I'm pretty sure she will, just because I put this on all my wigs. I'll put her on and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys how I slay her. finished the curls all the way around. Usually I say 10-minute curls, but these were actually like 5-minute curls. When the camera cut out, it was because my battery died and I only had like a few more right here. So I just went ahead and finished them before I switched out the battery. And I love it. This is like an asymmetrical bob. I'm trying to let the curls set a little bit before I go ahead and pull them apart. I'm going to use a wide tooth comb. And then I used a powder from this palette to go ahead and fill in my parting. The baby hair messed up in the process, but it's okay. It kind of just looks a little bit more rough and coarse, which makes it look somewhat natural. I did use my mousse to kind of freeze down the crown of my head, and I used a little bit of this freeze spray. This made it a little bit too shiny because I went ahead and set it with the flat iron as I normally would. But it's only right I go ahead and use my comb. And it's funny because my last few tutorials I filmed tonight, I was already using one of these combs, so I have two sitting out. But I'm going to use this comb, but maybe first I should just pull them out with my fingers. And I didn't do them perfect. I didn't use any like cold spray or product to form them. I just kind of curled away from my hair and let it do what it do. This hair is definitely full of body, and these came out so bomb. Like, imagine if I would have actually taken my time. Oh yes, I'm feeling it. Where's my lipstick? You guys see how much body is in this hair? You guys seen how effortless I was making those curls, and look how amazing they turned out. Super pretty. Whenever I do one in the front, I like to do the other side behind the ear. I don't know, just have it. And of course you can secure that with a bobby pin. I would finesse it a little bit better, but I absolutely love this bob. I will go ahead and change my shirt to something a little bit more fitting, like a sophisticated button up to fit this look, but I'm not going to wake up my kids. My daughters sleep in my bed, so this will have to do. But you guys can see how amazing and versatile this wig is. It is a bit of an asymmetrical bob because the pre-parting is off-centered, so I did push it over just a little bit more than it naturally was. Hi baby.
Hi mommy.
Hi, so yeah, it's very versatile. It is pre-parted, but you can definitely switch up the parting. You can also bleach the knots. I went ahead and used a powder, and that worked just fine for me. The actual hair is super soft. It has a lot of body, as you can see, and I like the fact that even though the hair is straight, it curls super easy, and it actually holds the curl, because you guys know sometimes when I curl straight hair, it's like a waste of time because the curls pretty much are dropped within 2 seconds, and this didn't do that. So I have this wig listed down below. Again, if you are searching for the exact color, just select the option that says same as picture, and it's basically this one here. I'll also have all the other details on this wig in the description bar for you guys to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and let me know what videos you guys want to see from me in the future.